Super weather.
Good deal sunshine shaping up for us here on this Wednesday, and temperatures again going to be trending on the warm side. We'll see highs topping out into the low and mid 80s, but through the day today, it's mostly about the sunshine. As we push into the afternoon hours, we'll start to introduce more clouds. Temperature by noon already into the low 70s, and into the afternoon, we'll see highs top out into the low and mid 80s. About 84 today for us here in the Metroplex, mid upper 80s for areas to the west from Jacksboro to Mineral Wells. We're at 86 in Stephenville. We'll see highs in the upper 70s in spots like Sulphur Springs, Paris, Terrell today at 79. Most of the day looking good with sunshine mixed with a few clouds. We'll start to see more clouds arriving, though, as we push into the afternoon. And as we enter the late afternoon time period, that's when we have the chance for some spotty showers and even some thunderstorms to develop. The highest likelihood for thunderstorms going to be for areas east of DFW, and some of those thunderstorms could turn strong, potentially severe. So something we'll be watching closely. Overall coverage with this will be low, but any of the thunderstorms that do develop do have the potential to pack in hail and high winds. And that's why the Storm Prediction Center has these areas shaded in yellow, included in a level 2 risk for severe thunderstorms. Spots like Paris, Sulphur Springs, down through Canton included in that. Across Rockwall and portions of Dallas and Collin counties also included in that as well. So something we'll need to monitor closely, especially as we get towards the late afternoon and evening time period. Temperatures going to continue to stay warm as we move through the next couple of days. Today we're in the mid 80s. We stay there again for your Thursday, and Friday still going to be on the warm side across the region. And it's a combination of those warm temperatures and strong winds where we do have elevated fire danger conditions continuing. And because of that, a red flag warning has been issued for areas west of Fort Worth. It runs from noon until 8 o'clock this evening for everyone there shaded in red. The winds are out of the west between 15 and 25 miles per hour. Could have some higher gusts, and the relative humidity levels are very, very low. So the elevated fire danger conditions today for areas to our west, and then as we move towards your Friday, those elevated fire danger conditions start to creep their way closer to the Metroplex. So a lot to watch as we move through the next couple of days. Friday going to be a very windy day. We could have winds gusting up at over 50 miles per hour. Temperatures back in the 70s by the weekend.
Sign up for super weather.